Continuous integration with Jenkins. Run Tosca Commander and open your workspace. First, create a test configuration parameter at the execution list folder level or above. Name it Continuous Integration Build Root Folder, one word, with the value true. On the execution list level, create another test configuration parameter called Continuous Integration, again one word, also with the value true. The next step is to navigate to the Tosca CI folder and edit the Tosca CI Remote Execution Service.exe config file. By default, find it in the Tosca CI folder in the path shown. Edit it by opening the file with Notepad. Also, edit the value for the workspace path. Do that by entering the workspace path you want to trigger in between the bracket value bracket, bracket backslash value bracket. Once it is done, repeat the same steps for the file Tosca CI client.exe.config. After saving both the files, open the Jenkins homepage. Log into Jenkins, then click on the New item on top of the left side or on Create New Jobs. Enter the name of your item, choose Freestyle option and click on OK. A configuration window will open. Here choose the option Build. Inside the Build option, click on Add Build Steps and choose the Execute Windows Batch Command option. Enter the following command shown on screen for triggering the execution. Click on the Save button and navigate to the homepage of Jenkins. Navigate to Build Now, then click on your build and finally on Console Output. Once your build is done, the finished Success last line shows that you have successfully completed your integration with Jenkins.